Hey everyone, today I'm going to detail my BMW i8, and it's going to be a very cool little detail that I'm doing today. The car's not that dirty. I had wiped it down earlier today, but we got a really cool product in called Rev Auto Neo Armor. This stuff is like a ceramic coat, but way easier to apply. You literally spray it on like a spray detailer and take it off. But before that, we have to do a bunch of steps, and I'm going to show you the steps that I'm going to do on this BMW i8 to clean this bad boy up and get it totally protected with this stuff right here by Rev Auto Neo Armor. Right? Okay, our first step here before we do the paint is we're going to use Rev Auto Brake Away. Stuff is phenomenal. Even though I got a black rim, because these brakes are so big, it collects a lot of brake dust. And this stuff just lets it melt right off. Now I do a couple steps. First I spray it. Usually I let it sit a while, but for the sake of the video, I'm going to use this agitator brush. I just like to get in here, agitate where a lot of the dirt will sit. And you'll see I'm going kind of quick because I'll show you. I have another tool that I use. Get really in the brake dust and around the logo. And then I have this crazy tool right here that allows me to get in, get around the brake caliper really good, and get in the rim. You don't need much because this Rev Auto stuff, I've used a lot of brake cleaners, but this stuff literally has brake dust just falling right off. It makes it so easy to clean. I don't have to sit there and really scrub it all. This little tool and this agitator brush, and this is all you need. So I'm going to do the rims real quick, all the wheels, and then we'll get to the paint and wash that down. Now you can see with the Neo Armor, the shine is insane on this car. Wheels are super clean, glass is super clean. I mean, the sheen coming off this thing is crazy all the way around. Now here's the products I used. I used Neo Glass, the Breakaway, and the Neo Armor. That's all I used